Today we're going to be covering lesson 30-3, multiple transformations of the quadratic parent function. We'll be splitting this lesson into 7 sections: questions 1 to 3, questions 4 and 7, questions 8 to 9, 10, 11 and 12, example A, and questions 14 to 15. Let's go ahead and take a look at number 1 to start off with. It states, the quadratic parent function f of x equals x squared is graphed below. Graph g of x equals negative x squared on the same coordinate grid. So let's just take a look at a couple of x's here. Let's look at -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Well, we know that f of x is +4, +1, 0, 1, 4. Now, g of x says it is negative x squared. So, whatever x squared is, it's the negative of the sign. So, this would be -4, -1, 0, -1, -4. Now, we're going to graph that. All right, it says compare g of x and its graph to the parent function f of x equals x squared. Well, we notice that the equation is multiplied by -1. The graph is basically the mirror image of f of x, or what we call a reflection. The graph is flipped or reflected over the x-axis. Number 3. The change to the parent function in item 1 is a reflection over the x-axis. A reflection of a graph is the mirror image of the graph over a line. A reflection preserves the shape of the graph. Three, how does the sign of a in the function g of x equals ax squared affect the graph? Okay. Well, if a is positive, the graph of the parabola opens upward. looking kind of like a U. If A is negative, the graph of the parabola opens downward. This makes me kind of think of it like an umbrella. Go ahead and take a moment to copy the answers for questions 1 to 3 down. And we're going to answer our debriefing question on the slide that follows.